Pavement is everywhere, and every parking lot needs maintenance to stay safe and look great. What if you could own a B2B business with recurring revenue in this essential industry? That's exactly what EverLine Coatings offers. EverLine is North America's fastest growing line stripping and pavement maintenance franchise. They provide services like line painting, asphalt, repair, seal coating, and crack filling, helping property owners save money with maintenance instead of costly replacements. Franchisees can choose a hands-on or semi-absentee role. Owner-operators focuses on sale, hiring, and daily operations. Semi-absentees, on the other hand, hire a team and oversees the strategy. Either way, EverLine's cutting-edge support and support system makes running the business simple and scalable. What makes EverLine a winning franchise? Massive market. Pavement needs maintenance everywhere. It's a B2B recurring revenue, industry-leading support, proprietary products, IT system, and national accounts. Plus, their preventive pavement maintenance program extends pavement lifespan, creating long-term client relationships. If you want a simple, scalable business with recurring revenue, let's talk. EverLine is leading the industry. Don't miss out.